Meet the ValkPro Max NextGen, our latest mounting system for the largest solar panels on flat roofs. Built for the new generation of oversized modules, the ValkPro NextGen brings speed, strength and simplicity. The ValkPro Max NextGen is specifically developed for large format panels, ranging from 1700mm to 2500mm in length. The system is built for maximum stability and easy installation. Alongside clamping for better load distribution, 50% thicker material for extra stability, fully metal construction in X-carb steel, combining strength, durability, sustainability and consistent performance, and integrated LPS grounding system design. This ensures strong support for oversized panels without adding installation complexity. At the heart of the ValkPro Max NextGen is the new ValkLock clamp system. Let me show you. A fully tool-free solution designed for speed and error-free installation. Simply click, lock and move on, keeping things predictable, fast and consistent, even with large format panels. The ValkPro Max NextGen sets a new standard for installing large format solar panels. Stronger where it matters, faster where it counts, and simpler in every stage of the installation process. Get in touch today to explore the possibilities.